पुराणों की माने तो अभिमन्यु ने जन्म लेने से पहले ही माँ की कोख से ही चक्रव्यूह को भेदना सीख लिया था. Then how can we not assume that our children will be smart, screen savvy? Yes, they are. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel The Sunny Tales. I am Shilpa Bhatia and today I am going to talk about screen time. How much is how much? There is always a constant fight between parent and child about the screen, to take away the phone or the gadget, whatever they are using. And let me tell you, they have already learnt it through your warmth. Yes, moms, you might be the reasons directly or indirectly. You can't just help it. It's there, it's everywhere. Screens are everywhere. So I'm going to talk about reasons and solutions. We ourselves are the reason. Yes, mom, you are the reason. In a race of cell phones, when you see that other children are using, why not my child? Or you just want to make your child eat the food, and you just want that while he is on the phone, he or she is on the phone, he will just swallow the food while he is engaged, he is focused on the food. Because it's not the correct diet you are giving. Rather, he is into a zombie world. He is not relishing the food. He is just relishing the tab, the screen. So I will not prefer. There is a fight with me and my daughter as well every day. I just want to make her do the lunch because I have spoiled her habit and now I want to make it back. For 2 years I didn't allow the phone in her hands, any screen. But there is no choice. It's everywhere. Screens are everywhere. You cannot just help it. Then they go into a zombie world. They are just like Alice in Wonderland. They are sitting physically, but they are not present mentally. They are there with you, but they are not there. So in a virtual world of theirs, they may get lost. It's easy, it's accessible, it's instant, just like instant food. It's so instant. It's just in a fraction of a second it gives the answer. And a 4-year child can just voice message nowadays and get the answer. And video calling, it's so common in these kids nowadays. And let alone be the adults. With children, though, you can say tick tick 1, tick tick 2, tick tick 3, and by tick tick 5 they may give the phone back to you. What will you do with the adults? This game is not going to play there. The reason is that it is so tempting and it has benefits as well. Intellectual benefits, career benefits. There are counseling sessions, there are webinars, and there are online learning. It's only and only solution nowadays. You can't just help it. For 3 hours there is a school class, for 2 hours there is a tuition class. It's all virtual. It's a virtual world now. So by the time they are free from their education, now they want the tab or the gadget again to play something or go to some video chat their friends. So it's a virtual world altogether, and we need to make sure that we find good remedies to help them out. I will only say, be the change you want to see in the world. So that's my suggestion to all the parents out there, that you have to act accordingly. If you don't want your child to use the phone or the screen unnecessarily and just unconstructive way, be the change. Don't use the phone just to check out the WhatsApp status or something else, just rubbish things. Be constructive, do some constructive work, and you talk to them. Have a communication with your child that what we are doing, that is a work. It's an obligation. We're not doing out of our choice. And build some good habits, build some good hobbies in them. Make sure that they have the comfort zone to talk to you. They have the comfort zone to come and talk to you when they get into trouble while they are screening or live streaming. It's not going to be an era of soft parenting anymore. We are going to be little harsh, little hard to them, and unconditional wala pyar, that philosophy is not going to work. You have to put conditions to your child that if you do this, only then you will get this. You have to make sure that we love you, but then again you have to listen to us when it comes to the screen time. Make a habit of doing yoga and meditation with your child, and I will suggest, when you are having lot of screen time, some backache exercises, some spinal exercises, and you can even go with eye exercises. Just roll your eyes up and down and left and right. There are very good eye exercises. You can just Google it out. Again, go virtual. So yes, some screen time rules in your family, and the time you are dining out or the time you are in washroom, avoid using the cell phone, because it's there are germs and there are viruses. So avoid using the cell phone or screens at the time of dining. Have conversations with your family, and I think be practical and be real instead of being virtual all the time. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.